Is this video real? It might surprise you. This was generated entirely by AI, no cameras, no crew. Meet Sora 2 Pro, the newest video model from OpenAI. In this video, I'll walk you through how this technology works, how creators can use it, and the risks you must know. Let's dive in. Sora 2 is OpenAI's latest video generation breakthrough, and it's not just an upgrade, it's a revolution. With realistic motion physics, synchronized sound, and deep narrative reasoning, Sora 2 finally delivers the kind of video quality that feels real. Imagine text-to-video that captures every reflection, every breath, every cinematic detail. And that's what this model does. And now, thanks to Higgsfield, that power is in everyone's hands. Globally, uncensored, unlimited. So what's new in this campaign? Let's break it down, because this partnership is one of the biggest creative leap we've seen in AI video. Unlimited generations, no caps. That's right, you can now create as much as you want. No generation limits, no paperclip walls, just pure creative freedom. 1080p cinematic quality. Every frame you generate is powered by Higgsfield's cinematic engine, producing full HD, color-rich visuals that feel like they came straight from a high-end camera. Sora 2 Pro with multi-scene reasoning. This is where storytelling becomes real. The model now understands narrative flow. You can build multi-shot sequences, and the AI keeps consistency across characters, lighting, and scenes. Audio-driven synchronization. Every voice line, sound effect, and piece of music aligns perfectly. Lip sync, tone, even ambient sound reacts naturally to what's happening on screen. Uncensored global access. No region locks, no limitations. Everyone gets full access to Sora 2's creative power anywhere in the world. Seamless integration. Sora 2 now connects directly with Soul, Nano Banana, Product to Video, Kling, and Infinite Talk, meaning you can design an image, add voice, then bring it to life, all within one creative ecosystem. Complete cinematic control. From script to fully directed output and camera angles, lighting, pacing, sound, you're the director now. The AI follows your vision. So who's it really made for? For creators who want to craft cinematic shorts, reels, or viral TikToks, all directly inside Higgsfield. For filmmakers who dream of directing breathtaking scenes without the need for cameras, actors, or expensive sets. For agencies that want to tell brand stories with real emotion and cinematic depth. For enterprises looking to scale global, multilingual video content effortlessly. And honestly, for anyone who wants full access to the world's most powerful AI cinema engine, unlimited, global, and completely uncensored. Now let's try it firsthand. Check out the description for the link to this site. After coming to the site, make sure to log into your account. Then click on this Generate button. It will take you to the video generation interface. After coming to this page, ignore everything else and try to understand only this section on the left side. First, style of the video. There is not many options like WAN 2.5 yet, so you can only use the general style for now. And it will be fine for any type of video, so don't worry. Then you can upload an image to create a video. You may use any AI-generated characters, or a product photo, or any other objects. We will see these examples in a minute. Let's add a prompt first. For example, a samurai walks through falling cherry blossoms, his reflection shimmering in the river as thunder rolls in. After adding the prompt, we can see that the Sora 2 model is already selected. Let's try it. Then we will also create with Sora 2 Pro model and compare the results. Next, select the duration, resolution, and aspect ratio as you need, and turn on the unlimited mode to create unlimited videos for free. Everything is ready. Hit the Generate button. Wait a minute, as the work is in progress. Seconds later, you have a cinematic sequence, complete with sound, emotion, and perfect camera movement. Let's change the model now. Click on the model, then choose Sora 2 Pro instead. It charges tons of credits. Using the same prompt, hit Generate again. This is the video with Sora 2 Pro. You can see the difference between the two results. Both results are great in terms of coherence. It understands your story. It connects scenes together, keeps continuity, and builds a real cinematic narrative from your imagination. You can also mix text prompts with reference images, define camera motion, choose your lens style. It's filmmaking without filming. I am uploading this image, which is also generated on Higgsfield. In the prompt, I am adding the details of the footage. This is the result. You can also create product commercials with a single line of text.
Whether it's a toast with friends, a dash through golden fields, or a quiet laugh under the lights, Coca-Cola.
Let's first create an ad for this earbuds. I'm only adding the image and asking this tool something like, a product commercial for this earbuds. That is really amazing. You know, I haven't added any details, only asked AI to create an ad for the product, and it has delivered. Now let's cook something with a luxury watch. I am adding this prompt along with the reference image. Here is the commercial. Any product commercial can be done like this without much effort. For example, this electric car reveal video. Or this coffee brand story. Everything is so realistic to use for any purpose. But with all this power comes responsibility. As creators, we must acknowledge the challenges. Yes, Sora 2 Pro has incredible realism, but it's still AI. Sometimes characters distort, shadows flicker, or motion feels off. And with tools this powerful, misuse becomes a real threat, from deepfakes to misinformation. That's why Higgsfield is encouraging transparency, to label your AI-generated videos. Use these tools for storytelling, not deception. Think of this era like the early days of photography or CGI. New, disruptive, but full of creative potential if we handle it right. It is just the beginning. Soon entire short films will be written, directed, and produced inside Higgsfield. It's not replacing creativity, it's amplifying it. You bring the story, AI removes the limits. The future of filmmaking is here, unlimited, global, and entirely in your control. Higgsfield-powered Sora 2 Pro isn't just an update, it's the dawn of AI cinema. If you're ready to build your own world, hit that like button, subscribe, and comment what scene you'd create first. I might feature it in my next video. And I have also made a video on WAN 2.5, which is another next-level AI video generator tool to create unlimited AI videos. You can check that video out as well.